Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. This is 104th video in our PTC Creo Parametric course where we are covering from basics to advanced technique. If you are new here and want to start from beginning, be sure to check out the entire playlist that I have added in the description of this video. Currently we are continuing our surfacing group inside Style tool, and in this session we're gonna talk about surface trim tool that we can find here in surface group and is our last tool from this group. This tool is very useful when you want to cut or trim unnecessary portion of a surface based on intersecting curve or surface. This helps you to clean up your surface model and prepare them for final detailing. Okay, so let's now talk about how we can do that. And for this example, what I did here is I created this drop curve using this particular curve which I dropped in this particular surface. And for example, I would like to delete this front part of the surface. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. And I would say it is very easy, guys. All you need to do is you need to click on surface trim. Now you need to select the quilt, and then here when we talk about the trimming curve, let's select this one. And now I'm gonna talk about the trimmed portion. Okay, so the portion that's going to be trimmed. Okay, so I'm gonna say this one, and now let's click OK. And there we go, guys. Here we can see we were able to trim the unnecessary portion from our surface assembly. So in this way, guys, we can easily trim any patch or surface that we find is of no use. So again, let me hit OK here, or maybe I guess I can go back here in style. Now, as we mentioned, the surface trim does not only work with the curves, but it also works with intersecting surface. So for example, what I'm gonna do here is let's quickly create another surface. So I'm gonna create one example surface, and for that let me create another plane, and in that plane I'm gonna put this another surface plane. And for this demonstration I'm gonna keep things quick, so I'm gonna make it slightly bigger. And now let's go here in surface tool, and I'm gonna connect both. Okay, so now here we can see how both these surfaces are intersecting with each other. Now let's click here on COS by intersect. Now what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna create a curve through intersect, and there we go. So here you can see we have created this curve. Now let's again go here in surface trim. Now select the quilt, select the trimming curve. Now we need to select the trimmed portion. So I'm gonna remove this one, so I'm gonna select this one. And there we go. So in this way, guys, we saw curve through two different methods. One is drop curve, another one is COS by intersect, and we were able to utilize that surface and curve to further trim the surface. So this tool, I would say, is really helpful whenever we want to clean up extra surfaces after surface creation or connection, or maybe you would like to define a clear and precise boundary in freeform design. And that's also wrap up this session on surface trim tool inside style tool in Creo Parametric. And I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you want to elevate your engineering skill and want to stay updated with more in-depth tutorial, make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam. This channel covers a variety of topics from core engineering and CAD to project management and beyond. If you have got any questions or suggestions, please feel free to drop them in comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.